If you're still walking around in your offsite factory with printed stacks of shop drawings, let me tell you, there's a better way. There's hsbView. Hi, my name is David Weizsäcker. I'm product owner of hsbMake at hsbcad, and I'm here to tell you how you can streamline your production with hsbView. hsbView is a plug-and-play solution which makes offsite manufacturing smoother. How? By giving operators access to the latest shop drawings straight from the design office. So no more printing and no more production mistakes caused by outdated information. And not only factory operators benefit from live, up-to-date information. Designers also report that using hsbView is saving them so much time, because they do not have to create shop drawings anymore. Today we are introducing hsbView Mobile, the new tablet version of hsbView. With hsbView Mobile, you get instant on-the-go access to your project data. Whether you're in the design office or on the factory floor, hsbView puts your shop drawing data right in your hands. As you can see, you can log into hsbView Mobile with your My hsbCad credentials. In hsbView Mobile, you have access to your projects and configurations through external cloud storages such as Dropbox and OneDrive. You can view and navigate elements across projects such as walls, floors, and roofs right from your tablet. And with the PDF viewer, any designer-created PDF file are available on demand. No desktop required. To get started, all you need is a Wi-Fi connection and a license of hsbView, which you can get for 75 euros per month. And since it's available on both Android and iOS, you can use whatever platform works best for you. So if you're ready to leave paper behind, download hsbView Mobile today and step into a more digital and efficient way of working.